Do you get these Sinhala words confused? Dhenawa, Dhannawa, Dhanawa, Dhanawa, Dhaenenawa. Let's see what each word mean and how to pronounce them. The first word is Dhenawa. Dhenawa means giving. Dhenawa. The first vowel sound is a sound, and all the sounds are short. Dhenawa. Dhenawa, giving. The next word is Dhannawa. Dhannawa means knowing. Dhanawa. This N sound should be a long sound, or what we call double consonants, which is a long sound. It's not Dhanawa, but Dhanawa. Without this double consonant, it sounds like Dhanawa. Dhanawa. With the double consonant, it sounds like Dhanawa. Dhanawa, Dhanawa. To give the meaning knowing, you have to use this double consonant sound. Dhanawa. The next word is Dhanawa. Dhanawa means bird. Dhanawa. Dhanawa. The first vowel sound is ah. It should be a long ah sound. Dhanawa. Dhanawa. The previous word was Dhanawa with a double N sound, long N sound. And this word is Dhanawa with a long ah sound with da. And the next word is Dhanawa. Dhanawa. The meaning is something like burning, like feeling, and all sounds are short. Dhanawa. Dhanawa. The first vowel sound is ah, and all are short sounds. Dhanawa. Dhanawa. The previous word was Dhanawa with a long da sound, but this one is a short da sound. Dhanawa. Dhanawa versus Dhanawa. And the last one is Dhaenenawa. 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 The first vowel sound is a, like in apple. Da. Dhaenenawa. All sounds are short, but the first vowel sound is a, and the second vowel sound is e. Dhaenenawa. Dhaenenawa, which means feeling something. Now let's see if you can hear these differences. I'm gonna say a word, see if you can recognize which word I'm pronouncing. Dhannawa. Dhannawa. Yeah, it means knowing. Dhannawa. Second word, Dhanawa. Dhanawa. Yes, all sounds are short and it starts with the da sound. Then this means burning feeling. Dhanawa. Third word is Dhanawa. Dhanawa. What does that mean? Dhanawa means putting something. Dhanawa. Next word is Dhenawa. 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 All sounds are short and the first sound is de. Dhenawa. Dhenawa. Giving. Yes. And the last one, Dhaenenawa. Yes, Dhaenenawa means feeling. Did you get all of them correct? Great. If you didn't get it, listen to these words again and see if you hear the difference. To access more resources, check lingocrown.com. Ena, ilang video again. Bye bye.